my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Do you ever feel like your mind is the reason why your entire house is completely disorganized? Do you feel like you're the reason, like you're the stopping block to getting your entire home organized? Well, I have to tell you something. You are totally right. Seriously. So what I found with my almost 7 years of organizing is that when people's minds and their mindset is totally like wacky, their physical space looks just like their mental space is feeling. There is a direct correlation. So when I'm working with clients, I always try and get them in the right mindset, which is why we're talking about mindset and how you can change yours so that you can get your home totally organized once and for all. So I created a mindset guidebook. This guidebook is going to help you transform your thinking and what you personally believe about yourself as an organized person. Yes, this has something to do with your home being organized. What I want you to do is go to the description where you're watching this video and download my free mindset guidebook. It is free because I want you to get your home organized for good. This guidebook will help you clear your mental clutter that you have around organizing yourself as an organized person, your home as an inviting and organizing place. The guidebook starts by you listing adjectives that currently describe your house right now. So is your house messy, untidy, uninviting, boring? Use words to describe your home right now, okay? I want you to like really dig deep and figure out what words are describing your house in its current state right now. Like look around and give me some adjectives of words that describe your house right now. Then I want you to write down how you want your house to feel when it is in your mind organized. What do you want it to feel like? For me, my goal when like organizing anyone's home, I really need to know what they're thinking and like what the idea is behind what they want. Not everyone wants a home that is, some people want homes that are a little more formal. Some people want homes that are a little more laid back. Some people want anybody just to walk in at any given point and like their house is perfect. Other people are like, I don't care as long as it's decorated well. We can have toys, we can like be messy, that's totally fine, but I want my house to just be a place where everyone gathers. Give me those words and like write them down. There's like so much science research out there on why writing, like physically writing, is so important for your brain. So that is why I want you to print this guidebook out. I'm going to tell you what to do with the stuff at the end. It says it in the guidebook what you are required to do once you are finished. So you're not actually holding on to these papers. I just want you to write, physically write. Do not type, write it out. Now we really need to like look at yourself as an organized person. My personal belief, every single person is organized in their own way. Now you might not be Pinterest organized, and that's okay, because most people aren't. In fact, I'm gonna tell you like the honest truth, I am not. And if you've seen behind the scenes on Instagram or pictures that I post on Facebook, yes, I stage pictures for companies I work with because that's what they pay me to do. But in real life, my house doesn't always look like that, and that is okay. My house is organized. Don't get me wrong, but my house is not Pinterest organized in every nook and cranny that you can see. Now, some people, when they come, they're like, oh my gosh, your house is totally Pinterest organized. I don't feel that way. And so the fact that I don't means you will probably feel like, oh, my house isn't that way either. So the goal of the next page in your mindset guidebook is to really dig inside yourself. What does it mean to have an organized house for you? Does it mean you don't have anything on your floors and everything has like a home? Does it mean that everything is labeled so everybody in your house can figure out what goes where? Does it mean that, you have the Pinterest organized house? If you want that, that is okay. then shoot for the moon, girl. You do that. Like, I am completely a fan of going with whatever you want. If you just want function, then you organize for function. And once you start changing your mindset about your belief on yourself as an organized person, you're going to change your outlook on your entire home. The last thing you need to do when changing your mindset is really focus on gratitude. I know that's like, really? I'm changing my mindset and I'm focusing on being thankful for things? Yes. Now, I know it may sound cheesy, but giving yourself like affirmations to say in the morning, writing down positive things about you and your style and like how you organize, all of those things are really important for changing your mindset on how you organize. So I really want you to take time to go through the third page of this guidebook and really think about positive things about yourself and say them every day. I know, it's super cheesy, but I do it. There are a ton of Instagram accounts that I follow that have like morning mantras or daily affirmations that I love. I've included a bunch of them in the blog post that's listed below where you're watching this video. So if you like don't know where to start with this, start with those Instagram accounts. Promise you, they will like start to change your mindset and you will get more clarity as to how you want to organize your home. Finally, you need to figure out a way to take action. How are you going to get your house organized for what you want? What are you thinking about? Like, how are you going to do this? Are you going to give yourself, 15 minutes a day? Are you going to, for the next 4 weekends, are you going to start organizing? Are you going to join an online community or take a class that will help you get organized? Yes, people, there are classes that will help you get organized, and I have one for you. What? And there are classes that can help you get organized. Seriously, I have them all listed in the blog post below, so please check those out because they will help you if you're struggling, and especially if you're struggling with accountability. Like, you tell yourself, I'm going to do this, and then you don't have anybody to follow up with you, right? Nobody's like holding your hand, nobody's watching you, nobody's making sure you're sticking to your plan. So you need accountability. Totally fine. I need accountability to work out. I can't work out by myself. Like, I know that about myself. If you know that about yourself and organizing, then I suggest getting an accountability partner, maybe like a neighbor or friend, a sister, brother-in-law, somebody that, you'll say, okay, at the end of this week, I'm going to do this. And then get started getting organized. Love what you see? Give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week. Have a great day.